people. Good morning. I just washed down my grandson's clothes. Just washed them. Okay, guys. And see the planting there. Planting shoot out so small. They need some substance in their root. I'm going to buy some bow cap or something like so. Okay. We make them call them a shoot. See the next one here. Very small. The soil look like something wrong there. Okay, guys. See my potato here. One weed out. Goat eat it down with there. And then coming up back right now. Coming up back. Why? The goat them a give me a warm time. Now my ground. The coconut here. I picked four of them yesterday. That is dry. So I leave these two and so pick them off. Yes, and see the rest of the jelly there. Because coconut is so expensive because coconut are $250 and $300. So there. My corn is coming up lovely. The corn there. The rest of them there. They are coming up so lovely. Maybe I plant them too near up. I don't know. What do you think, guys? See how they stay? Very pretty. Right here, I plant some cucumber yesterday in it, and there are okra right there. Let me go around here and show you guys the okra. And see the next banana here we shoot. So them I shoot small, you see it? Why the root they need some substance in it. I forget the mouth cap. See the corn them here. Maybe I don't know if them plant up too near up or what. But they coming up nicely. Very nice. Some down here, so. We have some okra here coming up. And see okra over here. See the okra them there. A lot of okra. Okay, guys. Wow, wanna be already? I shot the okra. Not even realize I shot there, me plant them, you know. See one here? A beer already, guys. Wow. I shot the okra them. Why? See it big? Wow. That means the rest of them so bear too, because the whole of them plant out one time. I just so put the seed them in one hole and then me transplant them. So the corn then coming up nicely. Wow. See my mother grave there. Need to scour off. Let's throw some chlorine pan and scour off. See one next banana here shoot. Maybe I have to go transplant them and put some bow cap under the root them, because they shoot, but they shoot so small. Wow. Yes, guys. I saw some pop chow in this. Wow. Then coming up there, pop chow I saw in it. Some pop chow. Wow. And then I should have covered it back. I mean, I want rain come and beat them down, you know. I figure get some more breadfruit leaf, some more banana leaf. Wow, they're coming up nicely. I saw some more in here. You reap what you sow. I forget some more banana leaf and put over it. Right down here now, I plant some peas and pumpkin. Right in here. So I don't finish Fakiapas yet. See the pumpkin here bursting up. So one more down there. Okay. Just how fark up. I'm not going to fark up a big place yesterday now because it's hard to fark up still, you know, but me have to just take my time. And me do this right here, so when Thursday. So you reap what you sow, guys. There. Some of the corn they might look small and some might look big. But I don't know why. Plant some peas in here too. Some peas. Right here I stop. I'm going to finish fark up the rest. Some more pumpkin burst up there. I'm going to fark up the rest come right here. Where the lime tree is. See a lime tree here. Plant them very small. And see how they get big. This one is I'm going to fark come right down here. So plow it up, come right here. See our next little jelly tree here. Coming up. Okay. The next lime tree here. The lime is so expensive in Jamaica. My lime tree is coming up so nicely. Two of them. Lime is so expensive in Jamaica. So I just take up those two little sucker and see how they get big. Okay. Pumpkin and peas right here. They pop through and bust up already. Okay. I know some people don't want plant. Go the corn right here so it looks so lovely. Because right here so kind of fat. Because I throw some manure right here. So, but whenever I get some more manure from the chicken coop, I'm going to throw it right there. Because right here so look like it needs some full manure right here. So because the substance right here. No 100. I stay right up here and see another okra. Whoa. Come in one and get all out. I know some come down here so I never realize the next okra there, so. The next one here. Whoa. I shot the okra them. Two trees small and they start beer already. I mean never see it, you know. I may just pick one right here, so you know. I mean some morning time I have to come down here so I look good. I have to go look good pan them. The okra tree them. I shot the okra them. I may plant some more peas in between them. Like what I plant down there, so. I plant peas in between them. And the corn. Some more okra sucker here. Wow, I saw plant them, you know, and when they come up to perfection, I just take them out two and plant them. Just take them out two. Wow. If you mind how me walk, I go walk on them. Plant some peas and cucumber right in here, so. Just want the rain now to come down. The rain come now, you see how fast them burst up. See it? The corn them. The pepper tree. The pepper tree also stick. Wow, the corn them look so nice. So nice. I have to watch them with the goat, you know. Every day I have to run out goat kid out of them. Why me I tell you them people here. All you complain to them. Me a pepper on the tree, yeah. Man, pepper is here. But this one, I don't know what happened to this one. This one dry up. Pepper tree. I have fork up right here so too. I have to get some stick for the yam them. Yellow yam and renta yam. The jelly tree there. We get 4 dry coconut yesterday. And see 2 more here, so somebody beg me one. So I have to give them one out of the dry coconut. Because 300 and 250 for dry coconut. So I want sometimes buy them inside of them not even good. Some more potato there, so coming up there. And see the rest them here. We goat eat them. They're coming up nicely again. I catch no more goat in them, you know, me and that's my dog have a problem, you know. Okay. The other jelly tree here. Okay. Just wash down my grandson clothes them. He might go wash his socks and him brief. He go wash his socks and him brief them. Okay. Some nice aloe vera, yeah, so. 2 of them. Aloe vera and peppermint and fever grass. Take time coming. The peppermint. Okay. And fever grass. Aloe vera. So I dump them for the chicken cube water. Okay. In this cube right here. Clean out yesterday. That 150 chicken I put in here, so mountain 150 chicken. Okay. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Well, so water grass here. I'm gonna draw some of them to carry in the layer cube and give the layer chicken them the water grass. And then some water grass. Okay. Sometimes you have to give them some. When you have the layer chicken, them you can just you give them feeding, yes, but you have to give them some water grass, some bush in between, because they are common fowl. Yeah, they are the machine common fowl. Can't just give them so feeding like that. Sometimes the feeding make them lay still, you know. And the water grass now, we clean them out and build them back. I have to weed out some, let me get it. Okay guys, so I'm just going to show you how I do my morning routine with the chicken them and the fowl cube. Okay, I have to get up early in the morning, do what I have to do. I give them some water, see them there? I give them the bush, the fever grass. Let them eat it. Okay, see? They are eating it. I want some water in them pan now. So they're eating it. I'm just showing you how I do it in the morning with the chicken them. These are 25 layer. Okay guys. Okay. So then do the grass. I give them some clean water in their water pan. Okay, I'm gonna nest box. You see, I pick up some 11 eggs. 11 eggs I picked up a while ago. I never carry anything to put them into. I have to put them in my skirt tail because I was washing and I out by the door from morning, so I didn't carry any pan. So they are eating the grass, and they give them some clean water. So I'll have to keep the coop closed. Okay, they are eating now. So thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna take up my okra now. Okay, guys, have a good day.